Yeah. Well, it's a shitty setup because it has that little metal plate.
I tried getting out. I hit it, but it just rolled a little bit more. It didn't really suck from
Yeah, but the whole movie's pretty good. Yeah, it's better. Yeah, I know. It smells great. I love that smell. Yeah. Is it good? Yeah. Jesse's really good.
Yeah.
It's a different hit. 3-3. That's it. If he starts missing something, he starts getting on himself and he goes back. Yeah, no. That's when you record
practices.
Yeah, he is great. Seven, seven? I think so. Dennis, are we next?
Come on, Justin.
Vale, lo voy a encontrar. Ama Laura jokatuko dugu. Ama Laura. Ama Laura jokatuko dugu. Oh, we're cutting it down? Yeah, we're going to 14 now. It's too long. Well, our game's too long. These guys.
My dad?
Yep. That's going to be a pretty one tomorrow. No worry about today. Today.
When do you guys play? You play next game? Or you just played already? You just got here. Yeah? Alright. You better win.
Yeah.
See, alright, so how does this... How many teams are
I know nothing. I don't even places.
You better win, man.
That's all.
8-9. Red's winning. It was bouncy. You don't want it too much. Like not enough We need them back. We need 5,000.
Yeah, what the hell? You guys get all the shade and you get the sun? Yes, I'm sorry. C'est la vie. I know, right?
It's fucking. Is that the one that was stuck? The one that got stuck last time?
No. That was darker.
Yeah. Is that what's good on?
The one that got stuck was a great one. We liked it. The one that I have. No. I have. And that's what that's how we'll
You almost just dropped it right in the ground.
I walked right into it with my fucking boots on. I didn't know what it was.
At least their boots you can fly.
Yeah. I was like, what the fuck is that smell?
Yeah.
But I was like,
yeah. It's
I don't think the city wanted us here.
Well, no.
I'm just kidding.
They said they had like a problem this morning. And he was like, oh, okay. He was like, oh, yeah, this is all over the place. And I was like, oh, no, it's shit.
Yeah, it's shit.
And it's like, oh, what?
I've got a few too.
for a few?
Yeah.
I don't know if I've any of those. My sound is Spanish rolls.
What's that? Oh.
That was just saying, Ben, that they don't have any French rolls. All they have is Spanish rolls.
Oh,
Have you
okay.
worn with them? What?
Yeah.
They're kind of different, you know?
It's a different hit.
It's a different kit, it's a different ball,
Different
everything.
Different speed.
Yeah.
Different school.
Yeah.
We don't have this. The only course good enough for us
I think we can play.
is the best.
Yeah. But actually, we can play with the Spanish ones, yeah. If you feel like a really slow that one that has been like really different. Some of these ones are like really old. These don't like slide anymore.
Oh,
They
yeah.
don't even bounce.
No, it's not going anywhere. You gotta push that. Oh, that's the
Draw.
That's my
That one?
That's very bouncy. Who's blow? Who's that?
That was you. Chicken.
Hey, give us.
You are 10.
No, because I was in the same.
I'm not. I didn't know what that is. You need a 10. Okay, easy there, Tiger.
No, actually. That's weird. White. Oh, yeah. It gets worse. It gets worse. Worse? Yeah, I get even darker. What's about it? Yeah.
How often?
Yes, I definitely know.
Yeah, no matter. I just like
No, I'm kidding. That's my dad's.
Come here.
No? Same? Oh, wait. I'm free.
August 6th on top of the wall.
You record it?
Oh, yeah. We used to do two.
I used to the same. Because I wanted to have a recording, you know. But when I go home, nobody would believe me. Because you tell his dad was like, nobody would believe me. Yeah, it's true.
You can just buy a new one. You can just buy a new ball. Why would you do it?
I'm not bored. Or, you know, like imagine like right now, like here, it's
Great,
like a
doing great, yeah.
someone's like, guys, where are you? Like, just give him the ball, come on.
That's how small Ultra is.
Wait your turn.
That's how small Ultra is. You don't have anything to do.
Yeah. Yeah, just say that try like.
Keep going.
Match point, okay? Match point.
Vamos, Juan.
I play a lot of